Hello everyone. We have an interesting problem today. We have a list of items in different categories and we want to get a consolidated list of all the items in each category. Let me show you what I mean by this. I have this list of different categories such as beverages, seafood and so on, and I have a bunch of different items in those categories such as chai, coffee, Irish coffee, cold coffee and so on. And as you can see here, I have more than one category and more than one item per category. What I want to do is extract a unique list of items for each category along with the count of the unique list of items for each category. In a previous video, I had shown you how to do this by creating a pivot table, but that approach required writing a new DAX measure for it and using the concatenate_x formula. In this video, I'll show you how to do the same thing using Power Query by using the text.combine, list.count and text.split functions. So let's start with our range, and we'll convert it to a table by going to the insert menu and clicking on table, and you can get it into Power Query by right clicking and choosing get from table or range. We now have the data in the Power Query editor. Let's give our table source a name of items info. Now, as we require a unique list of the items, let's click on the item column, right click and choose the option remove duplicates. This will ensure that you have only a unique list of items for the categories. Next, we need to group our table by beverages. So click on group by. Let's choose category as the grouping. Let's give our new column a name list of items. The important thing here is to choose the option all rows and click on OK. You'll see that for each category you now have a list of items specified as a table in Power Query. So each of these is a table. If you notice, we need to combine all the items in the item column. So we'll replace this function with the text.combine function. Specify the column name in square brackets and also provide the delimiter. In this case, let's provide a comma followed by a space. And the type of this that we want to return is text. So let's replace the entire portion after type with the word text. So you'll see that we now have a new column list of items with a consolidated list of the items in each category with the comma separator. We only need to count the number of items in each category. To do that, let's go to the add column menu and add a custom column. Let's give our column a name of number of items. The first thing we'll need to do is to extract the individual items. So let's write the function text.split. And in brackets provide the list of items column along with the delimiter that we had specified. Now the output, as you can see, of this operation is a list for each category, and this list contains all the items in that category. We now require a count of the items from this list, and for that let's add another custom column, and this time we'll use the list function list.count, and we need to input the column that we added in the previous step as a parameter. And you can see that we now have the number of items that we require, so we can remove this column. Go back to home, close and load to get the data back in a new worksheet in Excel. As you can see, I now have a list of all the items for all the categories as a consolidated list along with the number of items per category. in the third column. The beauty of this method is that this method scales very well to new items that are added to your original table. Let's add a new row and let's name the item water. All you need to do next is to go back to your table, click on data and refresh, and you'll see that the beverages row has been expanded to provide water as the list of items, and the number that was 12 has also been updated to 13. So this is how you can use Power Query to extract a consolidated list of items in each category by removing the duplicates and also listing the number of items in each category. If you found this video useful, give it a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Goodbye and take care.